Are you looking for an expert utility by which you export your Zoho Mail emails into different file formats? Then stay connected with this video. Here, we will discuss the working steps of the Sysinfo Zoho Backup tool, which you can easily migrate or backup your Zoho emails into various email clients and file formats. Zoho Backup tool is the top-notch utility for users who wants to back up Zoho Mail emails into the computer, PC, or local system. The software is designed with a highly advanced algorithm to provide users an interactive user interface and 100% accuracy during data conversion. Now, let's check out some prominent key features and benefits of Zoho Backup software. Using this software, users have a feature to import Zoho Mail emails into different email clients like Gmail, Opera Mail, Office 365, Yandex Mail, Yahoo, Amazon Webmail, AOL, iCloud, etc. You can also save and download Zoho Mailbox emails into PST, PDF, EML, EMLX, MBOX, OST, CSV, TIFF, JSON, DOC, DOCX, HTML, MHTML, etc. Capable to maintain the folder hierarchy of the new resultant folder. Software is compatible with all the different versions of Windows OS like Windows 10, 8, 8.1, 7, Vista, and XP. These are the different prerequisites of software that you have to follow while using this Sysinfo Zoho Backup tool. You have to run the software as an administrator on your PC when using Windows 10 and its earlier versions. When you log into your email account in the software, you may have to establish a proper internet connection. A third-party app password of an email client is also necessary before signing into the software. Now, let's check out the working methods of the Sysinfo Zoho Backup tool. Firstly, you have to download and install the software. And, after completing the steps of installation, run the software as an administrator on your system. Here, enter your Zoho Mail ID and third-party app password in the utility and click on the Sign In button. Moreover, if you did not have a third-party app password for Zoho Mail, you can easily create it by tapping the below link. Now, in the opening window, you can find the tree containing all the folders present on your Zoho Mail account. Check the folders from the tree structure that you want to backup, and click on the Next button. Here, select the PST format from the drop-down menu. Then check the Remove Duplicate Mail option to delete similar emails from the selected Zoho Mail folders. To maintain the structure of the backup folder goes with the Maintain Folder Hierarchy feature. Now, check the Free Up Server Space option to delete the mailbox items after taking backup. Skip previously migrate items to exclude the previously migrated emails from the selected mailbox folders. Opt with Migrate or Backup Emails Without Attachments Files feature to download only the emails from the folders. Set Backup Schedule option to set the backup of emails from the chosen folder in day, week, month. You can also separate the emails of the Zoho mailbox on a particular date range by checking the Mail Filter option. Custom Folder Name option to type the name of the resultant folder in which the backup Zoho emails will store. Now, click on the Path to Save button to select the destination location for the name backup folder. Then tap on the Convert button to begin the saving process of Zoho Mail emails into PST format. Here, you can also cancel all the scheduled migration of emails and start the migration of Zoho emails early. Finally, save the report of the conversion process by tapping on the Download Report button. Additionally, you can also migrate Zoho Mail emails into multiple email clients. To do so, click on the Convert Again button. Now, select the email client from the drop-down list. Here, I choose Gmail to define the working procedure of the tool. In the new opening window, enter your Gmail ID and third-party app password. If you did not have a third-party password for Gmail, you can easily generate it by tapping on the below link. Now click on the Sign In button. Now, go with Remove Duplicate Mail to delete similar emails from the chosen folders. Then check the Maintain Folder Hierarchy option to maintain the proper structure of the new backup folder. You can also opt for the Free Up Server Space feature to free up the storage of the Zoho Mail server. Check Skip previously migrated items to backup only the new emails from the selected folder. Tick Migrate or Backup Emails Without Attachments file feature if you want. Set Backup Schedule option to set the migration of Zoho Mail emails like once, every day, every week, etc. Check the Mail Filter feature to separate the Zoho emails on a particular date range. Custom Folder Name option to define the name of the new restaurant folder. At last, tap on the Convert button to start the transferring process of Zoho Mail emails into Gmail. Here, you have an option to start the migration early of Zoho Mail emails and cancel all the scheduled migration of emails. You can also save the conversion report of the Zoho Mailbox emails by clicking on the Download Report button.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.